Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Cytaker. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between all of these three Snapdragon 870 chipset. So starting with the first phone, which is the Realme GT Neo 2 device, and next is the iQOO 7 smartphone, and third is the Mi X device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates from a couple of phones. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of CPU throttling. So without using any kind of gaming mode, nothing at all. No high performance mode, no gaming mode, no game turbo. Nothing is used during this process of demonstration. So it's been very long time me doing this kind of CPU throttling test comparison between all of these three smartphones, friends. So I thought of doing a video after a long time. Let's see what will be the results comparing between these three devices. So the things we are looking at, for example, stable graph. So in terms of stability, graph should be there. And next thing regarding the low temperature. So which phone actually maintains really low temperature? These are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video. And right now regarding the temperatures wise, 30 degrees and 31 degrees in the Realme GT Neo 2 before actually starting the test. So right now I did open all the settings of all the three smartphones, so you'll be able to see exactly how much time I'm trying to run this kind of CPU throttling test. 15 minutes I'll try to run exactly. 15 minutes with a maximum number of threads, which is 100 threads I'm gonna use during this process of testing. As you can see friends clearly, I'm trying to use exactly same settings, 100 threads and 15 minutes 115. As you can see, there's nothing much difference going on at this moment. And now let me try to start the benchmark test, and I did select the similar kind of brightness between all of these three devices. And the stopwatch also started. So for 15 minutes, the CPU throttling test will continue straight away, and we'll be able to get to know exactly the results, what is happening with all the three smartphones in terms of the temperatures wise. As you can see, so I'm going to be back after some time just to check what is going on with the overall temperatures between all the three smartphones. So I'm just trying to observe, friends. So how is the pattern of increasing? So again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. So right now we're getting close to exactly 5 minutes of time as well, and now we'll be able to check the temperatures, what is happening. 38.8 degrees Celsius, highest in the Realme GT Neo 2, 37 degrees, second highest. And Mi X device, I think second highest is the Mi X, and iQOO 7 is the third highest in terms of the temperatures. As you can see, 37.8 and 38 as well. 37, 38.8 during the first 5 minutes of time. Right now you'll be able to see exactly the graph, what is happening. And although in terms of the graph, the Realme GT Neo 2 did decrease slightly, kind of close to 85%, and iQOO 7 is maintaining around 90%, and Mi X device is going around ups and downs, as you can see friends. Up and down it's kind of going. So again we'll be back after 10 minutes of time. So finally friends, we got the CPU throttling test results as well, all the three smartphones side by side, and we'll be able to see exactly the results, what is going on. As you can see, CPU throttle up to 90% in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 89% in the iQOO 7 device and 77% in the Mi X device. You can clearly see in terms of the CPU throttling results side by side. And look at the high score, which has got about 3,27,000 and 3 lakhs and 2,87,000. 3,36,000, 3,20,000 and 2,76,000 and 3,42,000, 289 and 259. So overall 2 points were slightly higher in the iQOO 7 device. The maximum score and the average score, these two are really high in the iQOO 7 device, and the lowest point the Mi X device is score, as you can see, Mi X device, so 259 score. So this is the overall CPU throttling test comparison side by side, friends. Overall, I think the first would be kind of, these both phones are very close. As I said, from the beginning I did notice similar kind of experience using this very two phones side by side. Every time these both phones will come together, but only in the temperatures the Realme GT Neo 2 will have a little bit higher than the iQOO 7 device. That's the one thing which I did notice in my usage. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, bye.